Hello YouTube. Just gonna have to say sorry. I haven't had time to even clean up the house. But I have the little rendering that I'm doing right now. You know. And I'm gonna probably put this down here. It's gonna go a little bit more fired up under. I might also put the voltmeter there too on that board, because this mug takes all the space, man. Like, look at it. So we got work to do. We're gonna prep the wire. And what else? We gonna paint the amp rack. And just for y'all know, this little top thing right here is very sturdy too, by the way. The little top thing right here is gonna be for the little 4-channel amp, which can basically fit there, because if this can fit there, you know what I'm saying, then definitely it can fit there. Wow. And I'm gonna have to put all the fuses in there. It's gonna have like 8 fuses. 6, 7, 8. Yep, 8 fuses. I gotta take the little plastic off the thing too. It's gonna come out to be a nice amp rack. I'm gonna have to try to see if I can get I want to probably try to put the voltmeter there. So as I go along, y'all will see. So we'll be back. All right, y'all. Y'all see the wire prep. It's not easy to do, but it got to get done. But I'm still not even done. I still got 2 more wires to do for the battery. So just wanted to show y'all how the wires are prepped. A whole new way to block and a whole new way to order. Y'all can see I should be able to achieve the 4 runs pretty easy. I might zip time together depending on how they placed on the board. But we'll be back. Alright. I'm about to go ahead and hook up the grounds on it. But 6 spots should be more than enough. Alright. As y'all can see, I got all the fuses in. So I probably won't be using every slot, because you got two for the amp. So 2 for the amp. I say 2 for the amp, 2 for the batteries. Well, I'll be using about 7 of them. And plus, if I want to use it for the small amp. So, yeah, I'll be using all 8 slots. But that's cool, because everything is provided a fuse. A 300 watt fuse. So we feel safe about that. We feel safe having 8 300 amp fuses, including the one up front. So that makes 9. So it's not bad, man. Let me get these wires connected onto here. All right, we back. I've been going at it all day with this thing, but we can check it out now. When I was telling y'all that I wanted 4 rounds of ground. So as you can see, 4 rounds of ground. And how the way they got it, set it up to how the ground and power is going. They actually splitting up from each other. As y'all can see, you're getting a big old hole right there. That's where my remote wire is gonna go right there. They go to 8 spot. It's up there. I haven't mounted the amp in yet. You know, I still gotta do a comparison of the other amp. There's the other ground SMD. I can put the plate on that. I think I'm just pretty much done with that. I can't put the plate on this one yet because, you know, I still got to put the power wire from the front. Let's see, is it focus? Yeah, the power wire from the front, from the alternator straight to there. So it's gonna go on this little first one right here. You know, it don't matter. I know it got different numbers, 1, 2, and 3. It doesn't matter where you hook stuff at on it. And I can even hook it up on the top too if I wanted to. So really, I do have like 8 spots. I might just put the 4-channel amp right there. Put it right at the edge right there. Yeah. I mean, man. The plot is sticking here around, man. Like, we want to see how this mud sound. And we will get to see how it sound. You know. I got these in tight, but this is just a simulation though. I'm not about to keep, you know, I'm not gonna keep it hooked up for right now. It's just I'm just hooking it up just to simulate how it's gonna be. And when they get in the car, this is exactly how it's gonna be. And of course the 4-channel amp is gonna go up there. You know, I didn't really build this amp rack live and stuff because I knew for a fact that, you know, I just gonna be showing you guys how it look. But it came out pretty good, man. Let me know what you think. I don't even think I should even change anything. You know, got the ground connection for the ground ready. That's the other battery. I don't know if it's gonna be a Duracell or the Criminator. That one over there is gonna be for the North Star, which I'm gonna finish that up in about a minute. Like that wire prep and stuff, y'all. It's a hell of a thing to do though. But I done got used to doing it now. Like I'm real fast on it now. You know, at first I used to struggle like a mug, but now I'm just kind of used to it, man. So another thing, you know, we still got to get these connected. So I got to go ahead and get the little screwdriver, the L screwdriver, and just go ahead and get these hooked up. These is gonna be probably the easiest job, you know, out of, you know, bringing the amp up. But the amp, I'm gonna have to carry the amp down and this whole entire thing down all together. Which is like, man, it's coming through, y'all. So I hope you guys like the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.